on behalf of the commissioner himself, apologize for his absence. In fact, he was on his way to this event when His Excellency the Governor of Enugu State called him. And he said, I should send his sincere apology to all of you. Have you accepted the apology? Accepted. As I was going through this brochure, I already saw that the Igwe has taken a bold step to initiate a development project. There's no other thing the commissioner said I should tell him other than that he should focus on ensuring that development is stimulated in this community. That he should ensure the safety of lives and property in this community. And he should equally ensure grassroots mobilization and support for the government of the day. On this note, Your Royal Highnesses, ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to, on behalf of the Honorable Commissioner for Chieftaincy Matters, who is unavoidably absent, who also would have presented this staff of office to His Royal Highness Igwe Okechukwu Nwobodo Ebune as a confirmed, authentic, traditional ruler of the autonomous community. I do so on behalf of the Commissioner to the glory of God Almighty. Your Royal Highness. I had earlier apologized, but let me, before we move on, acknowledge the presence of the Honorable Commissioner for Science and Technology, Honorable Greg Ngash. Honorable Commissioner, please accept our apology. This photograph is for the Commissioner and Igwe alone. The Commissioner and Igwe alone, please. For record purposes, Igwe long.